So this is the city of Zurich, Switzerland. Beautiful, but very, very, very crazy expensive. Man, if you don't get mind, you know go put body here. It's actually a beautiful place, but very damn expensive, you know. So I have few days here, so I'm trying to do all I can do just to check out everything I need to know before I go to the next country, you know. So I'm rounding up my Europe tour. I'm actually preparing to head back to Africa because it's winter is almost here. So let's go check out other continents, guys. So basically that's what I am doing right now. I have like 6 small countries to go after here. So keep it locked, guys. If you have not subscribed yet, do so that you don't miss any of my videos. So we keep on going. This is actually Zurich, Switzerland, and I'm currently at the old town. You know, in every city, the old town, wow, this church is beautiful. Man. In every city, if you want to know about their history or see a lot of historical things, then you should consider going to the old town. And that's where I am. That is where I am now. So talking about the city being expensive, can you imagine, like, for you rent you book a hotel, then for you now to get a bed sheet, they will ask you for more money, man. More money to get what you call bed sheets for you to sleep. So why are you not paying for the room? I paid like 85 euros thereabouts for a night in a hotel, and I was asked to pay I think 8 euro more. 8 euro more. Can you imagine? For bed sheet fee. Yeah, man. Now, even if you are checking out from the hotel, you know, normally every city I go to, before I check out, I drop my bag, their storage room, and then when I come back, I pick it up. But this one, they said you have to pay 10 euros for you to even keep your bag and come back to pick. Everything is just money. It's crazy, man. If it's about beauty, man, this city is so beautiful. Sorry. The city is so beautiful, but then very, very expensive, guys. So if you're looking for beauty, you should come to Zurich, but make sure you are loaded, because everything you do is money here. So make sure you are loaded to come over here. So I'm still walking around, trying to check out the city. This is a walk tour just to understand the city. It's been raining cats and dogs since I came in. Very, very, very cold, man. Nobody told me it's nothing like summer here in Zurich. I actually came without thinking that I would fix this type of weather, but it's winter here, man. So that is Europe for you. I'm not surprised, man. So this is my face. It's still drizzling, as you can see, but I have to do what I gotta do. I don't have much time here. you all know this town, this city is very, very expensive. So I'm doing all I can to explore everywhere before I check out to another city. So we're trying to check out the place, even with the rain. Even with the rain, we have to explore. Nothing stops us from exploring, guys. No time. I think in the whole of Europe, no city to be compared with this one. Not even Germany. But I heard they pay well. If you work here, you actually earn a good salary, man. So little job you do, you get like 3,000 euros as your monthly salary. So it's worth it, but then you have to still put it back in the system. That's the cocoa. Because you need to actually pay rent. You need to buy food. Food is expensive, more than expensive here. Yesterday I bought kebab that I used to buy in other city for €6, €5, €7. I got it for €17, bro. Just one little thing, €17, bro. No jokes. So you see, a bottle of small water, very tiny water I bought, it goes for €6. And you say I should remain here. Man, I don't work here, so I need to just do and get off here to other cities before I hit my homeland, Africa. By the way, now I realize that Nigeria especially is the cheapest place I've ever stayed in all my life, man. Nigeria, you will feel very, very, very relaxed because you are paying yearly for your rent, and it's very, very reasonable. Like you can get a 2-bedroom flat in a good area in Abuja for 4 million, 5 million. But that's what you are going to pay here for 1 month. So now I'm realizing some of the things that we overlook in Nigeria. Actually, Nigeria is actually very beautiful, very, very affordable. It's just that we don't have the best leaders that implement some of all those things that we enjoy here that make us run away from home to come to Europe. Apart from that, my country is the best in the world. I haven't traveled almost everywhere in Europe. I will tell you that Nigeria is actually one of the best countries to stay.